Welcome to Prottayon, where we venture beyond conventional career horizons, exploring the captivating intersection of psychology with diverse passions and pursuits. Our journey today is a testament to the limitless potential that unfolds when your deepest interests harmoniously converge with the science of psychology. As we navigate through this captivating journey, we uncover the synergy between diverse interests and the profound understanding of the human psyche, from the symphonic blend of music and therapy to the digital pulses of UX/UI design, the nurturing touch of conservation psychology, and beyond. We traverse a spectrum of professions where passion intertwines with purpose in the most unexpected and exhilarating ways. Let's embark on this inspiring voyage, unveiling pathways where your unique interests converge with the transformative power of psychology. Engage in the high-energy world of sports psychologists, where the vigor of athletics meets the strategic depth of psychological science. Specialists like Dr. John Sullivan empower athletes to transcend physical boundaries by mastering the mental game. They apply principles from performance psychology, focusing on areas like motivation, stress management, and resilience to enhance athletic performance. By equipping athletes with mental toughness and emotional intelligence, sports psychologists play a pivotal role in transforming potential into excellence, both on and off the field. Navigate the intricate digital landscape as a UX/UI psychologist, where the complexity of human psychology blends with the precision of technology design. Experts like Susan Weinschenk employ principles of usability, perception, and emotional design to create digital interfaces that resonate with users on a deeper level. Professionals in this field craft digital products that are not just functional, but also psychologically engaging, making technology more intuitive and human-centric. Explore the lush pathways of a conservation psychologist, where the love for psychology merges with environmental stewardship. Specialists like Susan Clayton delve into the psychological aspects of human interaction with nature. They apply concepts like biophilia and environmental identity to promote sustainable behaviors and ecological mindfulness. This career path is a green haven for those passionate about nurturing a harmonious relationship between humans and the natural world, ensuring a thriving planet for future generations. Dive into the dynamic world of a business psychologist, where the realms of corporate strategy and human psychology intersect. Professionals like Dr. Thomas Chamorro Premusic harness psychological insights to reshape workplace dynamics. By understanding emotional intelligence, motivational strategies, and team dynamics, they cultivate environments that boost productivity, foster positive culture, and enhance employee well-being. This path is a gateway for those fascinated by the psychological intricacies of the business world, aiming to sculpt organizations that are not only successful, but also psychologically enriched. Embark on a journey through the digital realm as a cyber psychologist, a role championed by experts like Dr. Mary Aiken. This field stands at the crossroads of psychology and technology, exploring the human factors in online behavior, and cyber psychologists study the impact of digital life on mental health, the psychological tactics used in cybercrimes, and the ways in which our online personas reflect our real-life identities. For those captivated by the digital universe and its psychological nuances, this career offers a unique vantage point to understand and influence the evolving landscape of cyber behavior. Delve into the world of a gastronomic memory curator, where the art of culinary creation intertwines with the science of memory. Visionaries like Chef Heston Blumenthal harness the power of flavors and aromas to evoke profound emotional responses and memories. Utilizing psychological concepts like the Proustian phenomenon, these culinary artists craft dishes that transcend mere sustenance, becoming gateways to cherished memories and forgotten moments. This career path offers a delectable blend of gastronomy and psychology, perfect for those who aspire to stir the soul through the senses. Venture into the exhilarating field of an esports mental coach, where the competitive world of gaming meets the strategic application of sports psychology. Professionals in this domain, like Weldon Green, utilize psychological principles to enhance the mental resilience, focus, and performance of esports by applying techniques from cognitive behavioral therapy and performance psychology. Esports mental coaches help players navigate the pressures of competitive gaming, transforming them into champions both in the virtual arena and in their psychological well-being. Immerse yourself in the dynamic world of social media psychologists, where the vibrant landscape of social networks intersects with the analytical depth of psychological study. Experts in this field, like Dr. Pamela Rutledge, navigate the intricate maze of online behavior, applying media psychology principles to understand and influence digital interaction. They explore how content shapes perceptions, emotions, and social dynamics, crafting strategies to promote digital well-being and constructive online communities. For those enchanted by the power of social media and keen on using psychological insights to foster positive online experiences, this career offers a platform to impact the digital social fabric. Step into the nurturing realm of animal-assisted therapists, where the bond between humans and animals catalyzes healing and emotional growth. Pioneers in this field, like Dr. Aubrey Fine, harness the therapeutic power of human-animal interactions, employing principles from clinical psychology to design interventions that improve mental health and well-being. By understanding the profound emotional connections between humans and animals, these therapists create environments where every pat, every nuzzle, and every shared moment becomes a step toward healing and understanding. This career path is a sanctuary for those who believe in the healing power of companionship and aspire to blend their love for animals with their passion for psychological wellness. As our exploration at Prottayon concludes, we hope you're leaving with a heart full of inspiration and a mind brimming with possibilities. The marriage of psychology with your unique interest opens up a universe of career paths that are not just professions, but celebrations of your individuality and catalysts for change. Whether it's the symphonic harmony of a music therapist, the innovative vision of a psychological space habitat designer, or the nurturing touch of an animal-assisted therapist, the fusion of your passions with the science of psychology holds the key to a fulfilling, impactful career. So, dare to dream, explore, and weave your passions with the threads of psychological understanding. And remember, in the quest to find a career that resonates with your soul, Prottayon is with you every step of the way. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and take care.